It's Chris on. I've just knocked out my clips. I've looked at this wall pretty closely. I noticed there's a few bits of plastic still in there, but I'll get to that. I'll do this, start grouting this wall first. What you do, well, what I do, not too much water. There's probably about 10 mil of water in the bottom there. Because with these tiles, it doesn't take a lot of grout. The 6x3, you know, 1.5 mil grout line doesn't take much grout at all. But I wouldn't even use, I don't reckon, probably 3 kilos of grout in this bathroom. It's a 5 kilo bag. I never mix up heaps and heaps because I'm always using the same grout, like ultra white or misty grey. 80% of my jobs at the moment are misty grey and ultra white. And that's it, it's ready to go. Most of the time I buy a new squeegee. It's soft rubber, which I like. I don't like the hard rubber ones. Soft rubber, they wear out pretty quick. If you hit a bit of plastic sticking out, it stuffs the rubber a bit. Where's my pliers? Somewhere. Anyway, I'll pull that out in a minute. Yeah, so this is all you do. Oh, this is a dry tile, so I'll give it just a little bit more water. My grout can be just a bit runnier. With it being a matte finish tile, if it was a shiny tile, my grout would have been bang on. But being a matte finish tile, it needs to be a little bit, just a bit runnier. It's going to be the same wall and floor, same grout. Da 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 da, la da 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 dee dee dee. Right, I'll come back to I'll be wiping this off with a wash boy, a sponge and water out. DIYs, old school. Yeah, I'll be grouting around the top there, and then it gets painted. I always grout, not cork or silicone. It's been a nice little bathroom, this. Ensuite, I should say. Bit of plastic. Pull this sucker out. That's all there is to it, DIYs. It's always a lot different grouting a matte tile than a shiny tile. A matte tile is just a little bit slower, but not much. I go and get my stitches out this afternoon. Not stitches, my clips out of my head. I had 12 of the suckers. I asked off I rolled my ankle when I was hopping off a bucket. Banged my head against the corner there, and 12 clips later, bit of an ordeal. They thought I might have had a brain bleed and all that sort of carry on, but nah, all was good. Okay people, we'll see you soon. Stay tuned. Ooh, there's a lot to learn.